Hey guys, if you're new to Premiere Pro or just a basic user, um, don't use the Razor tool or the Control K shortcut. That takes way too long. Today's video, learn how to cut your videos just by using one key, and by the end of this video, you'll be cutting your videos like a pro. Let's go. So I just have a random footage over here. It's just a random slideshow, and I'll just try to make some cuts using the Razor Blade tool. I mean, these are just random cuts. I mean, it is pretty quick, but as for cuts, we need to look at a start point and end point to make a cut, and usually there's a shortcut for it, Control K, but two keys are way too much for a task simple as cut. So just head over to your edit and click on keyboard shortcuts, and as you can see, you have a layout over here of your shortcuts. So just type add edit on the search bar, and as you can see, I have mine set as C. You'll have as Control K, so just delete that and press C or whichever one you like, honestly, but I find C best because there wasn't no shortcut aligned to it, so there was no interference, and cut starts with C, so it was ideal. So just press OK and you'll be good to go. So I'll demonstrate how quick it is. I'm just pressing C, and as you can see, I've already made so many cuts. As you can see, I just like took a piece of that slideshow out in mere seconds. Usually by the blade tool, you have to stop the footage, click on the tool, and go back, stop the footage again, go on the tool again, and then cut. That takes forever. Even with a Control K shortcut, like, it's just not ideal for two keys to be a tool that you use 90% of the time while editing. Alright guys, that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe, as that helps a lot, and comment down below if you want me to do any other tutorial or anything you have in mind, basically. So yeah, take care.